happy Friday! I'm Cara, welcome to Power to the Flower, and today I want to share with you my Friday favorite, which for sure this week has been my fall wreath. I made a video on Monday. You can check it out in the links below or in the card up above on how to make this faux fall wreath. So today I thought it would be great to talk about when to use faux wreaths and when they become my favorite. Reason number one, when to use a faux wreath. I use faux wreaths in this situation where the elements are an issue. So you could see the sun is creeping up. Faux wreath, I don't have to think about it at all because it gets beaten by the sun and it looks fabulous nonetheless. The eave over this door is not very deep, and that's another reason why I think a faux wreath is the right wreath for this situation, because when it rains, the wreath gets wet and it can hold up to any kind of rain or hail or wind that Mother Nature brings it. Reason number two, when faux wreaths are my favorite, when I want to be one and done. So in this situation, I have lots of things going on in our yard right now, lots of projects, and I don't want to be coming and tending to this wreath. A dried wreath or a live wreath are really, really fun, but at this point in my life, that's not what I need. So a faux wreath is the way forward when I can just hang it up and be done with it. Reason number three, when faux wreaths are my favorite, are definitely when dust and dirt are an issue. So this is the location where we do a lot of DIY, and we have a patio here, and we also are starting our backyard remodel in this location. So we're breaking up that concrete, and there is dust and dirt everywhere. So this is the time when faux is my favorite, because when it gets all dusty and dirty, I can just hit it with a rag, and it will become clean in about 1 second. A dried wreath and a live wreath couldn't hold up to that kind of treatment. And so when it comes to ease and reliability, a faux wreath is where it's at. The last thing that I think about when using faux wreaths is kind of where the wreath is sitting. So in this location, that door is opening all the time. Every day we go in and out of that door multiple times a day. So the banging, the clanging, the faux wreath is going to hold up to that without any problems, where a live wreath or a dried wreath might not be able to have kind of that longevity. So those are all my reasons when faux wreaths become my favorite. Thanks so much for joining Power to the Flower. I hope this video was helpful for you. You can join me every Friday for a new Friday favorite, as well as Tuesdays when I post my garden videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
He means autumn. He means autumn and wind, not wind. You can make mine consistent too, and this is the roof and mine is the main person.